All right, I got something cool in the mail. Ha-ha! My new 8-in headlights. Said they were going to be here like 2 weeks from now. But the tractor has new lights. Let's go put them on. What I've seen them do online is just get a pair of these on here and back them out. Maybe get something on a nut on the other side, but it feels like it's loosening up already. Get another wrench on the inside. Well, that was reasonably straightforward. Not the same gray, but then again, these haven't been sitting out since '52. They work well though, H4 halogen. Well, taking out the tractor whose new name is Junior, the 1952 Ford 8-in to a cruise-in that's local. It's a little farther away, so I have to take the truck and trailer and then unload it when I get there, because the tractor goes 14 miles an hour and people in this area drive like they're crazy. And I'm not trying to die out there. Let's get it off the trailer and attend the show. When I arrived, they said I needed to put it out by the road to get attention. There's some cool stuff in Apollo Beach. This used to be my buddy's dad's car. Joey's dad's. When I met his dad a few years ago, this is what he drove daily. Daily. He was in his 80s. Welcome to beautiful Tampa Bay, Florida. Late April 2024. I'm on my way to a garage sale slash estate sale. The older gentleman who passed was really into lots of different cars. I found everything from 3 or 4 Mercedes vehicles in the garage shop area. I've also found parts for 55 to 57 Thunderbirds. I've seen stuff for Boss 429 Mustangs. This is not your average estate sale. Now, I've already been here twice, and I've already gotten truckloads of stuff. This is the last time I'm going to be going, and I'll take it all to a swap meet here in a couple weeks, except the stuff I can't live without. Right now, we're going over the Sunshine Skyway Bridge. It's a beautiful day in Florida. Hope it's beautiful where you are too. Let's get in this garage, and let's find some stellar stuff. Well, here we go. Mercedes over there. Mercedes over here. Now I'm kind of in this corner today. Kick on some light here. There we go. I'm going to be looking through all these drawers and stuff. There's so much stuff that's found in the little drawers, and that's where we're going to start. Well, maybe in the bathroom. It's a Mercedes turlet. I'm on my way back, and I got even more stuff. The back of the truck is jam-packed. Here in a few minutes when we get home, I'll make sure I go over the highlights. I found this railway, like a railroad light that would have been on the side of it. Very cool stuff. Also found a drive-in movie speaker that would have gone on the sill of your door. But for right now, we're going back over the bridge here. At different times of the day, this is so beautiful. It gets even more beautiful at night because there are lights under the bridge that change colors and do all kinds of stuff. But if you take a cruise out of Tampa, you go under here, right over that direction, and go into the Gulf of Mexico. And if you start going down that direction, you'll go towards Central America, Belize, Cozumel, and all that. But for right now, we're headed down this 275 south, getting back to the house and gonna unload some of this. Can't say I didn't find some stuff, and considering this is my 3rd load, look at that. There's such unusual stuff in here. Now, some of it's kind of garage-oriented stuff. Got the Goodyear blimp. But other stuff, I've never seen anything from the 70s that deals with leasing a vehicle. You could have leased a brand new Cadillac for $234 a month. Also, a lot of stuff like this will sell for a few bucks at the swap meet. Underdash gauges. Speaking of gauges. A whole bunch of printed material here, which I don't normally get, but I figured it was there. Some 1st generation Thunderbird chrome valve covers. There's a toolbox down there, has a whole bunch of stuff in it. Some GM original safety belts, which people are starting to look for more and more. There's so much up in there. It's kind of hard to really Oh, you notice that down there? See the Buick drum? Yeah. This is one of 3 loads of stuff. There's just, check that out. It's got an outer case, so apparently it went under the dash of something, but I've got a whole bunch of carburetors up in there, air filters, various lines, and just stuff. But I always like going through places like that because when you're by yourself, you can take your time, look through every little drawer, every nook and cranny, behind stuff, way up on the ceiling, way down. But I think I'm going to go back and get a truck from that guy. He had a truck that's kind of a wild card. It's a Chevy mid-80s 3/4 ton, but it's got the 6.2 diesel, which I've heard is one of the slowest, just lackluster engines ever. But I think I need it.